Apart from one facility, I'm told, residents of Kenyenya, I want to request, leave the doctors to do their work. Kindly. Those busybodies, we can't give you room. You will go to social media, abuse me, but we will not give you room to intimidate doctors. Doctors must work for the sick people. If you have your activism, take it wherever you would take it. But we're not going to allow anybody to do those things. And I'm going to direct the county commander, the county commissioner will agree on how to deal with those specific individuals. Tukipata serikali kwa ifanye kazi nzuri, we will go in ourselves because we will know how to go about it. We're not going to allow people start intimidating, harassing doctors who are supposed to do the right thing. Kwa hivyo nataka niombe na nataka niongee kwa kisi aba mrabali moko iroka nga you are chi activist koro activist bino mo koragochi but ntoko barao mwanze kwara saba nyagitali bakonya abantu barwalite ntoko banja. You can do that one elsewhere. Ufanye kwa kijiji yako, kwa nyumba yako, lakini not kwa watu ambao ni wagonjwa. Here, I know the appetite has not gone down for those ones who love to eat drugs. Eating in terms of stealing, we will kill the appetite.